Here we had last this one I created now this liquid material, right? I given liquid material here, liquid any one material, then just keep a light in front of this. Then you understand the right result of this water. And this intensity of this light, you need to increase it, okay? From here light, which was the light, 3, 4, 3. This one I did 5, I guess, yeah, 5 intensity. Now let me render and you see the result. Okay. If you don't want this much waves and all, you can think about plain glass because you don't want waves. This is for using for ocean and all. You can think about simple plain, glass and do clear glass. It will also look like water. Clear glass, assign it. Clear water. You can keep some objects and all here. You can see the bench. Okay. So water was a big grass, make some flowers and all. It's hard in Autocad, but still can try something. Now, one thing I like to do here, I want to do maybe a point light here. But not point light, sorry, I want to do a spotlight here. Then go to light property. This is 7th, right? Yeah, double click. And this is 2. I'm changing the type of the light to spotlight now. And this angle, you have to keep it on the right way, little bit here. If you're not able to see that endpoint, you need to see there are 2 options over here. You can see 2 borders I'm adjusting, right? 2 borders. In this spotlight have a different thing. One is hotspot angle. One is fall off angle. If you really want to understand fall off angle, I want to do 60 and 60. Now you can see 159, 60. One will be automatically less. Fall off I'm going to do 80. Okay, this is the fall off one. That means the outer one is bigger and the smaller one, this I do 20 means smaller. So what will happen? The border will be smooth. When you do this one, the border will be smooth. Now you can see a smooth light will be the smooth light means smooth border will be there. Because you know why not happening much? Because of this light. It's having a heavy light over here. For time being, I'm going to take this to out to see this. Not affected much. So we will do this to just to understand, increase that value. I can see the spot comes over there only. We can give different colors and all. You see on photo frames and all, we keep different photo spotlight like that. Okay. So this is one thing I have to say. And the other one about web light. For example, any of one light, I'm going to consider 2 web light. The light maybe 5. Okay, take 5. This one, I'm going to take a copy of this to here. Okay, for time being, I'm moving this one to here. And this one, if I keep here, I'm changing this one first of all, changing this one to web light. Point to web light. Now it's a web light now, but there is no difference. You see this, the result is coming almost same like point light. It's near to the wall. That's why that area is having more, you know, the white area is increasing the reflections because of that, or it's near to that light is burning that area, whatever. So there is a concept of light is called IES light. Okay, this is the concept in all software, any 3D software. If you take this IES concept is there, most of the software. I don't say all. This is actually predefined shape of the light. This one you can see on the wall and all, right? Outside the wall and all, people use it. Or somewhere inside the rooms, you need to get some kind of style. Actually, how this is happening because of the cover, the cover of the light make this kind of style. But for us, we don't need to, we have to make a cover means it's software getting very heavy. We need to make that kind of a cover of the light. Okay, then different style, then we need to understand that how the light goes, where is the position. It's very hard to do. That's why it has made this kind of lot of shapes. So when you do this IES light, you're going to get this kind of styles of, this style of light, you're going to get it. So how can I do? First, you can type IES light free download in Google. You'll be getting, you go to this first one, the first website, Rio Moon Studio. Here, free download. Let me open. Extract here. Extracted IES light, it is here, right? Yeah. IES light pack, okay? You can see a lot of light over here. When you go to, there will be one image, there is one IES format. This is an image. So you can understand this is the format, area light. This is the style of this light. You can open and check because IES light, for IES file, you cannot open like this. So if you want to get this one, you need to choose this file. If you want to get this one scatter light, you need to choose this one, that way. Okay. So this one, I'm going to take copy to desktop for time being to understand. I got a lot of things because of this WinRAR, WinZip and all for time being. Let me try to close this all. Okay, it's annoying me. I'll do later that. This is already in the downloads. Just remember the path where it is, no problem. So what you have to do, choose this light, which is in the web. Okay. Now in the web, all are same. Name, colors, and all are same. Last, you can see a web file. Okay, this is only a new things in the web light. Web file, you click here, then you choose, go to desktop and downloads now, right? Sorry. What is downloads light pack? So I should remember what a scatters light. Remember scatter light we have checked. So scatter light, open it. Now that light will be coming over here. So what is showing over here, ignore it. And you render and see, that will be your final result. That style of the light would be coming to the wall now. You can see, you have to wait until 100%. You can see one style of the light will be coming on. This kind of beautiful light, shade, light style, you will be able to download it. You can use it. So just link, I can change again, of course. Select this one now. I click on here. You can see a lot of property. The angle can be a little bit rotate. When you rotate that one, the style will be changing and all. So click on this again, web file. I like to do some other smaller, open it. Let me render. You need to render, then only you can see the result. It's not coming because this angle will be somewhere opposite side. The somewhere will be opposite side. That's why when you're doing, if it is not coming, one thing you need to keep near to the wall. Okay. Second one, that will be facing to somewhere else. This may be two reasons which is not visible. I think this intensity is very less. We'll try to check other, because we cannot depend on one now. We check some other light. I think that the intensity is very less, so maybe you need to add it. Now this is coming perfect. So some light may happen that way. So you need to, it should be near to the wall, otherwise will not happen. Okay, remember that. We'll try something else. a different style we are getting. Okay, so this is called IES light. So this many things you need to know in artificial light. If you know this much light, you can make it beautiful. This whole area with different light. You try to, let me keep this one on near to the, I don't know how it will reflect on the texture. We'll see. It's not in the right place. The position is very important for this IES light, okay? I think it is inside this light, I kept it. Yeah, it's inside the wall now. Correct. Let me check now. See, the style comes over there. But this is scattered because the texture is complicated here. That's why you're not understanding what light is coming over here and how it is looking. Let me change the texture, you understand better. So this is all about artificial light. So what we have discussed about point, spot, and web light. I told you distance, we don't use it much. The same like exterior light.